Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Opposites all around. Let's learn this topic. Giraffe is big, tortoise is small. So the opposite is big and small. Jammy is opening the door and Jimmy is closing the door. So the opposite is open and close. Anya is jumping all around because she's happy, and Vanya is just sitting and sobbing because she's sad. So the opposite is happy and sad. Angad wearing jeans is tall, and Samrat wearing shorts is short. So the opposite is tall and short. Abhi and Kabir are enjoying their jump on trampoline. One is coming down and the other one is going up. So the opposite is up, down and up, or maybe you can say up and down. Adya and Aradhya are playing with lights. One is switching off the light and one is switching on the light. So the opposite is off and on. Here I have two baskets. One has nothing in it, that is empty, and the other one is full of apples. So the opposite is empty and full. Arnav and Anya went out to play in the rain. Anya is wearing a raincoat, that's why she's dry. And Arnav doesn't wearing anything, that's why he's wet. So the opposite is dry and wet. Here wearing red t-shirt saying hi to everyone, and he is showing his front. And Dhruv is a very naughty boy wearing green and blue striped t-shirt. He's showing his bag. So the opposite is front and back. White and red striped t-shirt with shorts is a boy, and blue t-shirt with a red skirt is a girl. So the opposite is boy and girl. Red and blue tumbler contains a Pepsi, so it is cold. And the cup with the tea is hot, so the opposite is cold and hot. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.